with a little bag. Wears a coat and wears a tag, helping animals one by one, with a smile and lots of fun. Lion roared, my leg is sore. Kid put cream, it hurt no more. Now he runs across the land, happy paws and feeling grand.
Elephant cried, my trunk feels bad. Kid said, don't worry, don't be sad. Bandaged it and gave a cheer. Now he splashes far and near.
Bear had ouchies in his paw. Kid cleaned it up, no more raw. Now he climbs the honey tree, buzzing bees and feeling free. Monkey slipped and hurt his tail. Kid wrapped it with a strip so pale. Now he jumps from tree to tree, swinging high and wild with glee.
Crocodile had a toothy pain. Kid said brush, then smile again. Now he chomps with teeth so bright, grinning wide from left to right. Dr. Kid says work is done, fixed each friend, everyone. If you're hurt, don't feel blue, Dr. Kid will care for you.